So somebody came up with an idea so obvious, I'm a bit disappointed with myself not thinking of it. Simply take the tail off and then it'll be proved if this pitch up is due to the tail or not. So I've got the tail on just now. We'll do a brief test with it on, so this can be like a standalone video. You don't have to see the other one. So
motors armed.
Motors armed. Okay, I think we can see it's pitching up. Let's just disarm.
Motors disarmed.
Motors disarmed. I've already taken the screws at the top of the tail here, so they should come out quite easy. That's that one. I forgot it's going to affect the C of G. Well, of course it is. Just stand by one moment. Let's move this thing. Okay. There we are.
Motors armed.
Well, a bit. I think that was because the
Sensor lost.
that was because the cord got underneath the wing. Let's just try that again. Well, proven, I would say. The tail is the low pressure under the tail caused by the motor is pulling the nose up.
Sensor lost.
Thanks for that.